Brand new in North Phoenix, 2,300 square foot, but I'm telling you, it feels a lot bigger than that. Come on in. Let's have a look at this house, and then when we're through, I'll tell you a bit more about this community. So here we are in the foyer. There is a nice drop station on that entryway between two of the front bedrooms. Pretty standard bedroom with a walk-in closet there. All of the bedrooms have a walk-in closet, so that's really nice. Like I said, pretty standard bedroom, nice little storage area, drop station, a full bathroom right off of these two bedrooms in the front of the house. Like I said, pretty standard bedroom with a walk-in closets. Back in that entryway, so you get that full effect coming down the hall. And then off here to the left is where the garage would be. So you'd come in from that door and have that drop station. And then this is like a flex room. They're using it as like a TV loungy room. And then the laundry room area. So full-size washer dryers, a little folding area, and lots of storage in there. Gotta love all the little storage places. Got a half bath off of the main living area for guests and company that may be over just visiting. A little further down the hall, you have a gorgeous sunny little courtyard off the side of the house. And then over here, we've got, I want to say that's a coat closet, and then another bedroom. So that's bedroom number 3 so far, walk-in closet, and also ensuite. So especially for any like extended stay guests who might be here for a while, we do have lots of those in Arizona. People who want to come and get away from the cold. They can have their nice little setup in here and have a lot of privacy. So then off of that front sort of wing of the house, it opens up into the main living area, a great room, open floor plan, very spacious, lots of windows with a big, beautiful slider off the back there. You can see there's a designated dining area as well as a beautiful kitchen. So nice appliances. You've got a step-in pantry. I don't know about you, but my organization skills are pretty great and never will be great enough to have a glass door on my pantry. What about you? Are you tinting that, putting a curtain in there? What are you doing? Yeah, I would not keep that way. Anyhow, they've got some really great appliances. I think those are cafe appliances, KitchenAid cafe appliances, if I'm not mistaken. And then there's that little dining room area. Of course, we're in the model, and so everything is all trimmed out and painted up and decorated beautifully. I love how they just work their magic in these models. And so here we are in the primary. Again, lots of light shining in, a big, beautiful picture window, and then a couple smaller windows on that opposite wall. You've got a private toilet room, walk-in shower. There is a step down into that shower, and then dual vanities as well as a walk-in closet. I think that little step right there, that step up and then that step down into the shower is the only interior steps in this model, if I'm not mistaken. So, which is a really great advantage, especially for your aging population. And I think you could probably get it custom if you wanted to remove that step. That's just a matter of gravity, right? Engineering. Okay, out to the backyard area, nice little covered patio for gathering and eating and entertaining in the back. I like how they did the like the raised rails there for some depth and decoration in that backyard, some nice pavers and turf as well, but not a lot of maintenance either. So then we'll come in back to the main living area and just do one little loop-de-loop. And here we go. Let's have a look at the neighborhood. What neighborhood? I did this on purpose. You need to know if you're curious about Verdin, you need to know that you are surrounded by preserve, by state land trust. There is not a ton out here. And that's an important detail that you wouldn't want to overlook. So here we are turning in. You can see all of this is brand new infrastructure, traffic lights and sidewalks and beautiful landscaping. There's the big, beautiful sign, Verdin. So this is a Taylor Morrison community. I do have permission from Taylor Morrison to be featuring their community. I do not work for Taylor Morrison. I work for Compass. But nonetheless, here we are driving in, and it's worth saying that there are 5 collections inside of the Verdin community. The tour that we just went on was inside of the Discovery collection, and we saw the Poppy model. Now, the Poppy model is one of 6 different styles in the community, and these styles range anywhere from just under 2,000 square foot all the way up to just under 3,700 square foot. There are single stories as well as 2-story models. Pricing ranges anywhere from the high 6s to the mid 8s. And I know that those will likely vary, based on time and all of that. So worth looking at those prices specifically when you are looking in this community. But you can see we're driving into the gates here. Really like that. Each collection has its own gate. There is no gate at the front, which supports any kind of bottlenecks that can happen when there are gates just in one area. So very thoughtful with respect to the flow of the community. And you can see, I talked with the salesperson. They are having a lot of success with their sales in the Discovery collection. And so you can see that happening. All the framing is up and things are getting done over there. I did film another collection, a model in another collection. So if you want to see that video, I will link it here for you. Let's talk about amenities. Here we are at the Nest, which is the community center for Verdin. Verdin is a bird, an Arizona bird, by the way. So hence the Nest. It is a $30 million community center. There's a massive community pool, including a lap pool, playgrounds, volleyball, pickleball, basketball, all the balls, fitness center, yoga. There's going to be like a cafe and bar area. You can see all the parking, lots of space for all of the recreation, all the fun with you, your guests, maybe your family, you name it. So they are sparing no expense. That is for sure, as far as the amenities go with Verdin. So what do you think about this community? Lots to choose from. We're on our way leaving the community now. And as we're leaving, I just want to say to you, like I said, there are 5 collections, multiple styles in each collection. So maybe you like the Poppy model. Maybe you want to see something else. If that's the case, I would love to support you in that, especially for new construction. It is imperative that you have representation. So by all means, please reach out. My name is Heather Patterson. I'm with the S4 real estate team with Compass. You can call or text me. My number is 808-352-9290. Or if you'd like to email, shoot me a message at heather@s4realestate.com. Thanks so much for taking the time, and I'll see you on the next one.